Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this beautiful 28-inch jerry curl wig. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so we can grow the family, and let's get right into it. So I'm going in with a water spray bottle and I'm just prepping the wig on my mannequin head. I'm spraying that all over the frontal, and then I'm going to go in with my comb and just push all the hairs back. It's very important to do this step because it will make a huge difference when you are installing your wig. I'm now going in with my wax stick and I'm applying that all over the frontal. Now I'm going in with my hot comb and I'm hot combing that section to the back, the frontal section all the way to the back, so that no flyaways will interrupt me when I install the wig. This is what the wig looks like after I have prepped it. As you guys can see, all the hairs are pushed back. And can you guys just take a minute to look at my plucking game? But anyways, I will make a video later on how I pluck my wigs. So now I'm going in with a wet wipe and I'm just wiping off the makeup on my forehead before going in with the wig. So I'm putting that wig right on, starting with the band first and then the rest of the wig. I'm going in with my Glamour adhesive lace spray and I'm going to be using that to install this wig. Now I am positioning the wig properly so that I can be able to place it where I applied the adhesive spray. I went back in with the Glamour lace spray just to properly melt that lace and to stick it down properly. To stick down the little pieces that are not properly stuck on, just go in with your rag towel tooth comb and lightly press that onto your skin. I'm going back in with another layer of the Glamour lace spray. I know that this is a lot of layers, but I do keep my installs on for about a week now. And this spray really does help hold the lace down for all those days.
Little.
I'm going in with rubbing alcohol and a wet wipe, and I'm just wiping my hands. I'm taking another wipe and more rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to remove any leftover adhesive that is on my forehead. It's very important that you remove that, otherwise it is going to make your install look messy. After the lace is fully and completely dry, you're gonna go in with your lace melt band. I like to do a double melt for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going in with a foundation stick. I'm going in with the foundation stick. That is my contour shade, and I'm just applying that all over the lace. And then I'm going in with the Isoplus spritz to further melt the lace. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with a lace melt spray as well. Now I'm going in with my lace melt band again, and I'm gonna keep this on for about 5 minutes. And as you guys can see, my lace is nice and melted. So I went off camera to do my baby hairs because they do take a while and they are looking a little crazy. But anyways, I went in again with another layer of the Glamour spray because I do not want this install to move or go anywhere for the whole week that I'm going to have it on. I went in again with the lace melt band, and now I'm moving on to styling the hair. So I decided to go for a side part. Now I'm just sectioning the hair into smaller sections so that I can be able to work with each section separately. I'm going in with my water spray bottle, and then I went in with a conditioner mixed with water, and then I went in with the Hair Rescue detangling spray, and then I went in with the Aunt Jackie curling custard. It smells so good and it just makes my curls look extra defined. And then I went in with a detangling brush just to comb out the product into the hair. Do not forget the ends, guys. Do not forget to apply all the product that you're using on your curls on your ends. I'm going to do the same thing off camera onto the other side. So now I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm applying that on the frontal area. I just separated it into 3 sections. So I'm starting off with the first section and I'm just using my hot comb to flatten that area. Now I'm going in with my holding spray just to keep this style and the flyaways tamed, and then I'm going back in with my hot comb. After I've removed the lace melt band, I'm just going in with my foundation just to get rid of that line of demarcation. I then went in with my contouring brush. I didn't really apply any product on the contouring brush. I just went in straight with it, and then I went in with a powder brush. Now I'm applying concealer on my parting. And this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.